All right. Back like I never left. What's up, buds? Welcome to Wanna Buy. And today we are unboxing the Bose Frames. We got the Bose Frames here. I think these are the #3 seller on Amazon right now. Don't quote me on that quote that I quoted, but I think they are the #3 seller of audio frames on Amazon. So I'll put that link down in the description below so you guys can click that, see the current price, and see if they are the #3 ones. All right, so the Bose frames are going for $140 on Amazon right now. I got the Rondo frames, the little Rondo versions, Rajon Rondos, and we're gonna open these up. So apparently these have about 3.5 hours of battery life, and like when you're streaming, listening to music and stuff. And then it has 12 hours of battery life in standby mode. Don't know what that means. Basically, if you're not using them, you're just using them as regular sunglasses, they'll last for 12 hours and then they'll die, I guess. Standby mode, I have no clue. So they have 12 hours standby and 3.5 in when you're using them, streaming music and stuff. It takes 2 hours to charge them up, apparently. So you're getting 2 hours for 3.5 hours of audio. I don't know. That doesn't sound right to me. So anyway, this is what we got. We got a nice little frame case of the Bose right there. Nice little case, really small. And we'll open these up after we see what's in the box. So this is all. I took everything out of the box. Got your little box right there. You can hide stuff in there if you want. And then we have a little form right here. I'm pretty sure it's just paperwork. Yes, it's just the paperwork for the frames. So we got that. And now we have the granddaddy glasses. All right, these look a little better than I thought. We have a little bag right here, a little dime bag. We're gonna open this up. And we have our charging cable. Oh, it's a different style right there, just for the frames. You know, this is our style in our bag. I see why this bag is very important. So this is the look at the glasses. Here they go. They're very plasticky. I was surprised how plasticky these glasses are. I guess it makes it lighter on the head. I thought it would have been a little bit more, you know, solid, you know, coming from Bose. But they're going to be super plastic style glasses. You guys will be shocked when you feel them. Like, man, I thought I was going to get some high quality. But I guess it'd be better on the face, lightweight. So let me just put these on and just get a feel for them. I hear her talking, the assistant telling me how to set up, but first we're gonna try them on. So this is what they look like on. Really Rondo looking, feels really good. I see why, I guess the plastic made it lighter, but this is what they look like straight on. Here goes a little side view. And here goes another side view. Now, I don't know how much you can hear her in the mic, but it sounds like she's like right in my ear talking. So she said download the Bose Connect App. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'll see you guys when I get all that downloaded on my phone. All right, so I got the Bose Connect App. Right when I opened the app, it showed up right there, the glasses. I didn't even press nothing. I opened up the app and the glasses already showed. So I'm gonna drag to connect. And now it's doing some blinky connecty stuff. And let's see. Oh, there we go. So pair step 1, go to Bluetooth, tap settings, and all that. Open your settings menu, go to Bluetooth, tap, and then tap Bose. There it goes, Bose Frames. Got it connected. I have so many Bluetooths connected to my phone. All right, so I'm about to play, okay, Bose Frames. I'm about to play a song I want to listen to. And let's see what it sounds like. I don't even know what I look like in these. Oh, these is baller. I like these. These look good. These look good. Let me in there like that. Oh, these look fire. I like the way these look. All right, so glasses on. About to do the sound test. I don't know if you guys can hear it, but I'm gonna turn it up, and we're at like 75% right now. I'm going max. This is max. I can hear what's going on. I can hear myself talk. The music's pretty loud to be away from not be in my ear. Here we go. Biblo Nino ni sagusa lo. All right, so I don't know if you guys were able to hear. You're probably able to faintly hear the sound, but it's all just like mids and highs. There's no bass, but it gets pretty loud for not being in your ear, and it does kind of give you like a curtain feel of sound going down your ear. You just feel it all around your ear. The sound is just like, feels like it's here. But then you can still hear everything that's coming through when people are talking to you. It's pretty cool. I wish there was a little bit more bass, you know, or something to give it even more of a feel vibe. The newer ones probably have more bass. I don't know. I believe this is the older version of their glasses. All right, let's see what the call quality is like. I'm about to call one of my coworkers if he picks up. Let's see right now. Whoa, whoa, whoa! You on the wanna buy it video? What's up, son? They can't hear you. You good? I don't think they can hear you. Look at this guy. How do I sound? I'm using the Bose frames right now. Do I sound cool? Or how does it sound? It was a little bit static at first. All right. You said you sound clear. You sound good on this end. We're definitely gonna have to. We're gonna test this out at work tomorrow. Let's see how these. Okay, so hey, he's saying it's a little staticky on his end. He sounds good on my end right now, but we be talking all day at work on the phone, so we're gonna be testing these out tomorrow. I'll leave it in the comments how it worked, but right now he's saying staticky, and I think he sounds good. All right, well I'll holler at you later after I finish this video. All right, gone. All right, so there you have it. He said it sounded static on his end. He sounded pretty good on my end. He was driving. The car didn't sound too loud or anything. I just picked up his voice. And yeah, so that was a little call quality, a little quick call, a little Canon call from my boy Collins right there. So that is it, Buzz. That is the frames. That's the Bose frames right there. I got the Rondo version. Shout out Ray Jean Rondo. But if you guys want to check this out, I'll put the link down in the description below. And apparently the UV lighting is supposed to be blocked out like 99% on these, so your eyes should be good. It should take care of your eyes out there in the sun. And the only thing I'll say is I thought they were going to be a little bit more. They feel a little bit more expensive than this. You know, these feel really, really plasticky. When you guys get these, you're going to be pretty shocked. Like, man, those are plasticky as heck. I can't wait to see the newer version. I'm gonna reach out to Bose and see if they'll hook me up with the newer version, see if they updated it even better. But yeah, I bought these bad boys, and yeah, I'm gonna test them out during the week. So I'll leave a comment. You guys ask comments about them. I'm gonna be testing them out, and I'll get to you back in the comments. So all right, bud. So there you have it. That was my unboxing of the Bose frames. If you guys like this video, please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe. And to all my subscribers now, thank you so much for subscribing. I really do appreciate it. So at the end of this video, I have a couple of my speaker reviews that I have, so you guys can go there and check it out. When the video ends, click one of those videos, see one of my older videos, and hopefully you guys like that as well. But all right, Buzz, I gotta go. Time to sleep. Got work tomorrow. But I hope all you guys be safe. My name is Roddy, and this was Wanna Buy It. Peace.